The Covell hammer and dolly sets have been out for a few years now, and they've become very popular with both amateur and professional metalworkers. We've made periodic upgrades to the set. The most recent is giving the crossbeam hammer a high crown face. Most hammers have a low crown face, usually around a 12-inch radius. This is great for general purpose body hammers, but there are certain cases where a high crown hammer is preferred. One example is when you're hammering in a hollow area or a reverse curve. Sometimes the edges of a standard hammer face will touch the metal before the center, leaving marks. The new high crown hammer is perfect for these situations. Wiring an edge is another task where the high crown hammer is ideal. The crucial step is trapping the wire, and since this creates a series of scallops, a low crown hammer would be likely to leave marks. The high crown hammer can do this easily, leaving no marks at all. After the wire is trapped, a low crown hammer is used to finish the wired edge. There may be times when you need to do extreme stretching with a hammer, and the high crown hammer can speed this operation too. The contact patch of the high crown hammer is about half the size of the low crown hammer, and this concentrates the hammer blows into a smaller area, stretching the metal more quickly. This new hammer is available individually or as part of the 10-piece set available exclusively from Trick Tools. The Covell slap hammer has been upgraded too, and now has a powder-coated finish which matches the other hammers. It's made of heat-treated chromoly steel and has a large, polished, super low crown face, giving it a larger footprint than nearly any other hammer. This is my favorite tool for getting the finest finish on sheet metal panels. Covell hammers and dollies are perfectly balanced and they have a great feel. The premium finish, coupled with a broad range of shapes, can bring your work to a new level. Contact Trick Tools to get complete information on all the Covell tools.